Let's talk numbers. This project is all about numbers. I plan to implement a daily number talk, which is a specific whole class warm-up discussion focused on number sense in a 5th grade math class. There will be a pre and post test to measure number sense skills and a daily exit slip to measure math achievement. The class scores will be compared to a controlled group to see how the students are impacted by a daily number talk. The literature I have reviewed surrounding my project all involves the implementation of number talks, subtopic 1, and the importance of number sense, subtopic 2, to a student's achievement in math. In all of the literature that I read, there was no research done on implementing number talks every day. They were done 2 to 3 times a week. They also did not do daily assessments to see students' work and the effect a daily number talk were having on their achievement. The setting for a lot of the literature was over a broad range of students and grade levels. I am hoping that my smaller sample size will offer more conclusive results, as the research I found did not offer definite conclusions. However, a lot of research I found offered great strategies such as what number talks to use and how to lead a discussion among students that I plan to use in my own research. After being introduced to the number talk activity, I knew that it was something I wanted to do in my class as much as I could. I love when students are able to articulate their thought process and learn from others, and that is the foundation of a number talk. When talking with my master teacher for the upcoming year, I knew that this is what I wanted to do for my research project. She said that her students now and the students for next year have no concept of numbers in their relationship to one another. They struggle with base 10 in the 5th grade. The main purpose of this study is to help students gain a foundation of number sense through the use of number talks so that they are able to excel in higher levels of math. Her students' need and my passion is a perfect fit. I hope to answer 2 questions in my research. 1. How will implementing number talks in a classroom for 4 weeks affect the achievement in a math class? The achievement will hopefully be measured by the daily exit slips. And 2, how will implementing number talks in a classroom for 4 weeks affect the number sense of the participants? And this will hopefully be measured through the pre and post test. The participants in this study are students who are going to be in the 5th grade next year at Palmetto Elementary School. There will be 2 separate classes. One class will receive a daily number talk and the other one will not. Both classes will participate in the pre and post test along with the daily exit slip. The procedure for this project is pretty straightforward. I will begin the project by giving each class a pre-test to measure their pre-existing number sense. Then I will begin the 4-week daily number talk implementation with one of the classes. While doing the daily number talks, both classes will receive a daily exit slip covering the class material. All of these will be graded to see how the students progress in each class. At the end of the 4 weeks, both classes will be given a post-test identical to the pre-test to see how their answers vary, if any, after the daily number talks. I will be using the Number Talks book by Sherry Parrish as my resource for my whole number computations. This book was chosen because it is the leading book and resource in the number talk field. I will be creating my own pre and post test based off of the South Carolina 4th grade standards for whole number computations because that is theoretically what the student should know when entering the 5th grade. I will also be creating my own daily exit slips for my students because I want them to accurately measure what was discussed in class that day, and by creating my own, I can ensure that the information was taught to the students. I hope you are as excited as I am to find out the results of this research.